Welcome back, Midday Sports.
Defending champions Cavalier edged Arnett Gardens 2-1 in their rescheduled Jamaica Premier League match at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex on Thursday night. Shaquille Steen gave Cavalier the lead in the 28th minute before Jamon Shepherd found the equalizer for the Junglists in minute 43. And the game seemed headed for a draw when Jalmaro Calvin found the winner for Cavalier in the 89th minute. With the win, Cavalier moved up to 5th on 22 points, while Arnett stayed in 2nd place. Cavalier's coach Rudolph Speed assessed his team's performance.
It was a difficult game. I mean, Arnett Garden is a farm team at the competition. Haven't lost for 9 games, so we knew it was going to be tough. But we were prepared. We're tired, understaffed, but we just have to do it our way.
Former Jamaican international Kamar Lawrence will now ply his trade in the United Soccer League in the USA after being signed by new franchise Westchester SC. Lawrence's signing is seen as historic as he is the first player picked up by Westchester SC. This will be Lawrence's first season in the USL. The 32-year-old defender last played for Romanian League One side Utah Arad, where he had an option to extend for a further year. Prior to that, he made 200 appearances in the MLS in the US, where he scored 8 goals. Meanwhile, sidelined reggae boy Devon Speedy Williams has joined Lexington FC from the Colorado Switchbacks, where he spent 1 season also in the USL. He joins another Jamaican at Lexington in goalkeeper Amal Knight. West Indies all-rounder Deandra Dartin is among the big names who will contest the 2025 Women's Premier League auction slated to be held in India on Sunday. The 33-year-old Barbadian is one of 120 players vying to fill 19 spots for the 3rd season of the WPL, which runs from February 21 to March 15 of next year. Of the 19 spots, 5 are reserved for overseas players. Dartin has listed her reserve price at US $60,000. She was part of the successful Melbourne Renegades outfit that recently captured their first ever Big Bash League title. Dartin came out of retirement earlier this year and helped the West Indies reach the semi-finals of the Women's T20 World Cup. Sarah Mazer etched her name in the history books recently at the JRDC Final Showdown held at Dover Raceway. Mazer, who entered the Final Showdown with a commanding 16-point lead in the MP4 class standings and a 2nd-place finish in Race 1, secured 7 additional points to clinch the MP4 class championship, making her the first woman in history to claim the title. Mazer concluded the season with 55 points, while Doug Gore ended 2nd with 39 points. And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thanks, Jermaine, and that concludes the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.